how-to. So that means I'm gonna be teaching you all how to put in some tire valves, if you guys don't really know how to do that. But I've searched on YouTube, anywhere honestly, on how to put these in. I didn't really find anything, so I figured I'd just put one up and show you guys how it's done. So what you will need, you need a set of pliers, you will need a washer, you will need just a regular old nut, and something soft, maybe a towel or a hose. You can kind of cut it down the side. I'm just using this little soft piece thing. This would be to put over the rim so you don't scratch up anything. So let's get it. Alright, first we're gonna start off by taking all this extra stuff off. You're gonna take this, you're actually gonna slide this up under through the back. You're gonna take your washer, you're gonna put that on top like so. You're gonna take that nut, you're gonna put that right on top there. Get that on there. You're gonna take that soft piece that I told you to get to protect the rim. You're gonna get that, and you're gonna take your pliers like so. You're gonna put it up under, basically grabbing it from underneath. You're basically pressing down on the rim as you're pulling it up, and then like that. I'm gonna take all this extra crap off. Put your stuff back on. Don't want to go down. There we go. Put everything back on. As you can see, it's all good to go. It's all in there. Hope y'all like this video. Subscribe for more how-tos and the update on, that Miata that these wheels are going on. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't want to, hey, it's all on you. But hey.